Good morning. This might be a record. I think this is the third video I've done of the sunrise this week, but they've been pretty spectacular, and it also helps that they're a little bit later, so I don't have to get out of bed at 4:30 in the morning. So I'm here again, and really, my friend Karen kind of prompted this one. I'll tag her later on this, but she posted a story that she had seen someplace, and I wanted to retell the story because I thought it was a great one. And it was a story about a man who paints boats, which seemed pretty appropriate for sitting on the shoreline, right? So he paints boats, and this guy brings him this boat, and he says, "Hey, can you paint this boat? And I need it painted this color, and here's the paint." And so the guy starts painting the boat. And as he's preparing, or he's putting the paint on, he finds a hole up near the front of the boat. And he's like, it's a little hole. I'm going to go ahead and repair that while I'm painting. It's not a big deal. So he repaired the hole, finished painting the boat, and the guy comes, picks his boat up, and he's like, "It looks great," pays him, and goes home. So a couple of days later, the guy comes back, and he brings some more money. He's like, "I have to pay you more because you repaired that hole in my boat." And he's like, "Well, it's just a little hole. It's not a big deal. It just took me, a couple minutes. Not a big deal at all." And the guy goes, "No, you don't understand. Because I took that boat home, and I put it in my yard, and my grandkids came over. And I wasn't home, and they said, 'Oh, the boat looks great,' and they took it out fishing. And I came home, and the boat was gone. And I wondered where the boat was, and I realized that my grandkids had taken it out. And I knew there was a hole in the boat. And I was desperate to go find them because I thought they may have drowned. And when they came back in, they were fine, and they had a great day. And I looked at the boat, and the hole had been repaired, and I knew you had done it. And so you didn't just repair a hole, you saved my grandchildren's lives. And you saved my life, too, and made me feel better. So the moral of that story is, and, I did actually try to find who wrote it, and I can't find who wrote it, so I apologize if I've stole somebody's idea here, but I did try, is that as you go through your day and as you go through your life, it might seem like it's a small thing you're doing for somebody or saying to somebody, just saying, "Hey, it's a nice shirt," or "Hey, your haircut looks great today," or "I really love your smile." And those are little tiny repairs that you may be doing in somebody's life that might be making a difference. And on the flip side of that, you can put holes in people's boats. So as you go through your day and your waitress, maybe the order got wrong, and you're mean to her, maybe you're putting a hole in her boat without meaning to or realizing it. That maybe that's the straw that, she's had a terrible day and a terrible life, and that one last comment, whether it was nice or mean, really made a big difference in her life. So you have a choice in life, whether to repair holes or put holes in people's lives. And so just think about it while you go through your day and try to repair people's holes today. So I hope everybody has a great day. And again, let it sit here and watch the sun come up a little bit more. And I have a video today, another live video with, we're talking about angel investing at 12:30. So if you guys want to tune in on that, it's both on YouTube and Facebook. So tune in and see you guys soon. And if you know anybody who wants to listen to me ramble on in the morning, share this. Let people know about it, and see if you can get some more people to follow my page. So have a great day, guys. See you later.